All the parts will be in the bag, which will all be in a box labeled shoe parts. For these bolts, you have to use the fish wire to get these bolts in. Do that by shoving the fish wire in through this hole, screwing on the bolt, and then pulling it through. And then unscrewing the fish wire. Then you must install the hose onto the fitting with a hose clamp. Slide it on, push it on, and let's tighten the hose clamp right up. Pull the chain out of the bag. Comes with a master link system right here, all attached to the chain when you get it. Take the chain, run it through this hole right here. Pull it through, run it back around the sprocket. Put the master link in. This piece next. Then the clip goes on next. Next, you have to adjust the chain so it's tight. You loosen these up first. You take the chain, you pull on the sprocket and everything so the chain is tight. Tighten the bolts up. Same thing here. Make sure this is tight. These are tight.
Okay, the operation on the sander, this is the stop or kill. This position here is power on, and this light will come on during the operation. To start the motor, you hold this till the motor starts. When it starts, you let go. To increase or decrease your idle, you use this button. You can increase or decrease your idle and your run speed with that button there. And then when you're at the speed you want and you want to actually turn the spreader on, this engages your clutch when you push the top in. This is clutch off, that's clutch on, and the light will come on when you press that, and that'll engage your sander.